How to fix Wi-Fi problem in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart again, click on restart your phone. Now go back. After that, on off flight mode. Open settings, click on connection. Here you will see flight mode. And if you want to turn on flight mode, then turn on this button. And if you want to turn off flight mode, then turn off this button. By this button, you can turn on or turn off flight mode. Now go back. After that, software update. Open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, scroll down, click on reset mobile network settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, mobile network settings will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory data reset. Open settings, scroll down, click on general management, again click on reset, scroll down, click on factory data reset, scroll down, click on reset. After click on reset, your phone data, picture, video, files, document, contact will be erased, delete or reset from your phone. This is how you can fix Wi-Fi problem in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.